Hi, welcome back to Manoj Nambiar's Travel Experiences. Today we are going to explore Moscow, Russia's capital and the largest city. Moscow, home to well over 10 million people, is the largest city in Europe. The city is so vast that one would always have the potential to discover new things in it. Moscow has been the capital of Russia except for a brief time when St. Petersburg was the capital city. It is the power center of the country and has a lot of stories to astonish you. The name comes from the river Moskva, which flows in a snake-like shape through the city. For traveling between St. Petersburg and Moscow, train is a good option. The train journey is comfortable and takes around 4 hours. I preferred train over flight also because I got to see the beautiful Russian countryside during the train journey. Sapsan is a modern high-speed train of German quality constructed by Siemens in 2009. Its speed goes up to 250 km per hour. Sapsan trains takes less than 4 hours in the St. Petersburg-Moscow journey. Over 10 Sapsan trains are regularly commuting between the two cities from early in the morning to late in the evening. Moscow is the capital and most populous city of Russia. Moscow is among the world's largest cities, being the most populous city entirely within Europe and also the largest city by area on the European continent. Unlike most cities in continental Europe, here municipal authorities have prohibited the construction of tall buildings so to preserve the city's traditional character. Within the square, right in front of the Kremlin, lies Lenin's mausoleum where one can see the mummified body of the man who led the most shocking politico-social movement in the world has ever seen. Known by its Russian acronym GUM, a most beautiful shopping mall I have ever seen in my life. If you are a shopaholic, GUM won't disappoint you. It is situated facing Red Square. Ice creams in GUM has not to be missed. No visit to Moscow could be complete without a passing by the world-famous Red Square. This is the rather huge main public square of the city of Moscow. Saint Basil's Cathedral is an Orthodox church on the Red Square in Moscow. It was declared in 1990s a World Heritage Site by UNESCO along with the entire Kremlin. Outside Kremlin is Saint Basil's Cathedral, a structure which in many ways is used interchangeably to represent anything Russian. It is adjoined by the Kremlin to the west and State Department Store to the east. Probably the most well-known landmark of Russia, the St. Basil's Cathedral stands on its south end. Many people confuse this cathedral with the Moscow Kremlin since they are situated next to each other, but the truth is that they are not absolutely related. The visit to this cathedral is often complemented with the other tourist attractions also located in the Red Square and the Kremlin. J Park is a modern place for recreation, entertainment and education created by an international team of architects, engineers, landscape designers and other experts. Here, the concepts of nature and technology, education and entertainment, history and modernity are united and complement each other. The Moscow River flows through the entire city of Moscow. The name Moscow comes from it. The river is bright and clean, and the shore is beautiful. Here you can enjoy the beautiful Moscow architecture. Majestic inside and out, the Cathedral of Christ the Savior is the tallest Eastern Orthodox church in the world. Now you can see the beautiful golden statue of the fountain, Friendship of Nations.